Hey, do you want to learn how to add Google reviews to Google Sites? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So first you need to go over to sites.google.com and then you can go over to one of your sites that you've created, like this one. I have this. I'm going to go inside here. Now, if I want to add or embed Google reviews here on my website, I need to go over to jotform.com/website-widgets, or you can go through the link in the description. And if you get any of these paid plans on this website, it's going to help you out with a small commission. But these website widgets are free to use and they have like 150 plus free website widgets. You can check out all of them and you can just insert any of these widgets in your Google Sites. For this video, I'm going to go with this Google reviews here, use widget, and then it's going to open up this page. You can scroll down and then on the left hand side, you can put in your source. So search for your business name here. Let's search for something here. Let's say, for example, I said T-Mobile. Let's go with this one. It's going to fetch the reviews for it. All right, once it fetched the reviews, you can see them here and it works completely fine. You can go down here, you can select the title, change the title from here. Title would be this right here. You can change it, just say anything else. Are happy, satisfied clients, something like that. And then you can hide the title as well if you want to do that. Hide the website widget header or the header title. Or you can just change it to T-Mobile reviews like that. Then review details, hide the ratings, number of reviews and such. And down here, you got the review fields, hide the photos of people, name and such. Then you can press on the continue button. You can change the button color, the text color. You can make it dark theme, CTA button, this one right here, share your feedback. You can change that, even change the CTA button text. There's this JotForm branding. Then if you scroll down, there's this JotForm branding. If you want to remove that, you can do it from here. They allow you to completely remove the JotForm branding. So you don't really have to worry about that. You can change the font as well. Select the font from here, press on continue. And then you got the layout options as well. You can change from carousel to slider like this, badge like that, list, and a lot more. You can go with any of these. Let's go with the carousel. Then you got other options here. All right, once you're satisfied, just press on this button right here. Try it on your website button, and it's going to take you over to this page. You can sign in to customize and embed your widget. All right, once you've signed in, logged into the website, you'll find this publish right here with embed. You just need to embed this code that shows up here. You can copy the code and then go back to Google Sites right here. On the right hand side under insert, you're going to find embed button. Press on that. Embed from the web. Right here under it, you'll see embed code. Press on here and then paste in that code that you got from JotForm. Now press on next and it's going to show you the preview of it, I think. Now we will press on this insert button and that's it. You have now inserted Google reviews on your Google Sites website and it works completely fine. It's also responsive. And yeah, that's it. That's how to add Google reviews to your Google Sites website. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Google Sites related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.